Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at how to make money online with seven hot online business ideas that is guaranteed to make you money fast. The reason I love and recommend this so much is because in most cases, it requires low capital but gives huge returns. You also get rid of the huge costs associated with running other kinds of business. So in this video, you will not only gain proper insight on these 7 online business ideas, but you will also know how it works and how you can easily get started. If you're new here, a very big welcome to you. I'm Amaka Orum, back with another video on helping you gain success on your journey towards entrepreneurship and living a better lifestyle. Right here, we talk about all things personal development, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. If that interests you, then you should click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on our weekly topics. As a Nigerian who wants to make money online, you can actually maximize and grow your income drastically. And not to state the obvious, but earning online gives you the chance to earn in dollars. And if you take this really seriously, this could translate into millions and millions of naira. You can also leverage your time and effort, and it is flexible, it's convenient. You can pretty much take this business anywhere with you. That is the catch for me because I love to travel. Anyways, these 7 business ideas can also be work from home jobs or a side hustle that could earn you money online in Nigeria. Basically, all you need is your phone, a laptop or a desktop, and good internet. So without wasting any more time, if you asked me which are the best ways on how to earn money online, or if you're looking for how to work from home in Nigeria, in no particular order, my top picks to earn you money online in Nigeria would be 1. Have a YouTube channel. This can be a fun and pretty good way to earn money online. Platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, especially YouTube, has made it possible for people like you and me to make money through their platform. But if you're just starting off with a fresh channel on YouTube, you have to know that before you can begin to enjoy the benefits of making money online or with YouTube, or in simple YouTube terms, monetization, then you must first meet YouTube's requirements of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers within 12 months. But don't get discouraged with the numbers because this can be achieved. As of the time this video was put out, YouTube has a total number of 2 billion monthly active users, and it attracts over 122 million active daily users. So by making creative and engaging video that attracts viewers, you can quickly get your channel monetized and start making money. Once you have reached that requirement, you can end up making anywhere from $50 to $1,000 monthly, and eventually even hundreds of thousands of dollars by the end of 1 year. Do you know how much that is? I mean, can you begin to imagine the difference a few dollars can make for you consistently each month? As of when this video was put out, the dollar to the naira was 5.56 to $1. And it's going up every day. So believe me when I say making money online can change your life. So if you're an expert with some in-depth knowledge about a particular topic or a niche that interests and provide answers, then you could consider making different videos about it, or you could simply just entertain your viewers with something that you like to do. So aside making money on YouTube, sending out video on YouTube is a great way to build your trust and credibility, that human connection that your business needs, which is one of the biggest factors to business growth. As a beginner in YouTube, the items you would need for starters would be your phone, a good camera, a good mic for audio projection, and a source of light. And that is it for YouTube. Next on my list is online coaching. This is actually a big business right now. If you're looking for how to make money online in Nigeria fast, then this is it. Just by offering a simple course, you could make millions in a year. In this case, you'll be making courses and training programs which your potential students will have to pay for to gain access to. You could do this on your website, but if you don't have a website, you could create a WhatsApp group for your students, or better still, you could use Zoom, okay? If you want to get really professional and leverage on a well-known platform to skyrocket your online coaching business in a convenient way, there are platforms out there you could use to launch and operate your course. An example would be thinkfic.com, teachable.com, and udemy.com, just to mention a few. For every link I'll be mentioning and for all the tools I use, I will drop a link in the description box so that you can always refer back to them. If you're going to be offering online coaching services, you can choose to deliver your course in video format printable format, or both. You would need to find out which works best for you, but most especially find out what works best for your potential clients and your students. When making your online course, keep in mind that it doesn't have to be overpacked, but it has to give high value if you're going to be successful with this. Next on my list is affiliate marketing. This has become so popular. It is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. This means you partnering with a company by linking to its products from your channel or your website. You can also sign up with an affiliate's website and you will be given a special link that is unique to just you. That way, when you promote their products or services, or every time someone buys the company's product using the link you posted, you receive a percentage. This could range from about 5% commission to as high as 70% commission. Man, that is a lot. They can actually afford to do this because they are mainly digital products. They didn't need any physical item to create the product. And some of these commissions are actually recurring, meaning they keep coming in and they keep coming in. Usually it's on a monthly basis. An example of this would be someone paying for a subscription. If the person who pays on keeps on paying, okay, for the services monthly, then you receive that commission on a monthly basis. It doesn't happen all the time. It will depend on the company or the person that actually has the product, okay? So affiliate marketing could really earn you the big bucks if you take this really seriously. What you would need to do is to get a blog where you can showcase the product and make reviews. Ensure that you also have a niche, and also make sure that you build a strong email list of people who are interested in what you are selling. An example of a few money-making apps or affiliate websites would be Jumia.com, Konga.com, Travelstar, Paypod. So with these, you would make money in Naira. The other popular international affiliates websites will be the ones that pay you in dollars, and they are JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon Associates, and ClickBank. But I have to warn that some of these affiliates have placed restrictions on Nigeria, making it difficult to register, but not impossible. An example would be ClickBank. Registering in Nigeria is difficult, but not impossible. I was able to get registered through a friend of mine, Joy, who lives in the UK. So another way is to pay an affiliate coach to do this for you. The platform itself doesn't require any payment or anything extra. It's just a simple and straightforward registration. So let me know in the comment section if you have thought about affiliate marketing, and if you haven't started, what is stopping you, because this is a pretty good way of making money online. Next will be monetizing your skill. If you can cook, monetize it. If you can make beautiful designs, monetize it. If you can make creams or beauty products, monetize it. If you can help someone lose weight, monetize it. Basically, if you have a skill or a knowledge in a particular area, then you can monetize it. Look, even a hobby can be monetized, okay? Most successful businesses are created from people's passion, someone's hobby or a skill. So do not underestimate what you have. Make sure you carry out a research first to see if there's a demand, see if someone else is doing it and how you can improve on it. A little bit of competition is always very good. If you've carried out a good research and you find out there's a market for it, then it's time to get to work. Turn what you have into a course or an ebook. These days, you can even outsource the entire process to someone on a platform like Upwork or Fiverr, okay? There are workers there, there are people that you could pay to actually do this for you. Make sure you get started and make sure you are committed. I'm going to drop a link to a video that explains how you can make money from a business idea. It will walk you through the process of researching your idea, planning, and many more. This will be in the description box, so feel free to check it out after the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Publish your own ebooks. This is actually an excellent way of building passive income. Amazon Kindle has made this super easy for literally anyone to get published. You don't have to be a genius writer or go through the headaches of getting a big publisher to sign you up. So if you're wondering what could you possibly write a book on besides romance and fiction, the genres that do really well on Amazon Kindle are books on personal development, business, and finance. So if you know something in that area, go ahead and write an ebook about it. Like I said, you don't have to be a big time writer to do this. One simple tip I would give you is to write out your bullet points and also a good outline for your book. Source for a ghostwriter on some place like Upwork and assign the job to the person. It's as simple as that. You also want to make sure that you research a good writer that can carry out the vision that you have in your head. Just make sure that your book is value packed and you're good to go. So publishing an ebook is really simple. Even a 5-year-old can be an author. So go ahead, publish on Kindle, Amazon. It's a great way to make money online. Next will be freelancing jobs. This one is pretty much flexible and convenient. You basically find a job that you are good at, either writing, video editing, SEO, app development, coding, or creating a website. Then you register on a website for freelancers like Upwork, Fiverr, fix a price on your service and get ready to start receiving customers at your pace. My tip on this will be to have a well-optimized profile that shows off the extent of your skills or expertise. If you don't have that, try to create one. That might mean you taking up some jobs with a low price tag. I think it's a small price to pay if you want to build your profile really fast. If it were me in the same position, I'll do the same, okay? You also want to make sure that you do not take up more than you can chew. Take jobs you are sure you can complete on a weekly basis. Another important factor to note when freelancing is that building credibility and customer relationship is important, especially if you're going to be registering on one of the freelancing websites, because on those platforms, feedbacks from customers could negatively or positively affect your business. If you get a bad feedback from your customer, it reflects on your profile, thereby sabotaging a good chance that you might have at acquiring new customers. When it comes to you fixing your price, make sure you research your industry type and your market so that you give a reasonable price for your service. You want to stay in the range with what other people in your industry are offering, and of course, you do not want to underprice your service. So make a good research and set your price accordingly. Next will be network marketing. Yes, you heard me right. This is another fantastic way to make money using the online platform. In network marketing, you basically leverage on other people's time and effort to make money. Not many people know you could run your network marketing business online, but it is by far the best way to achieve success in the business. Network marketing is a game of numbers. How many people can you reach out to? When you take your network marketing business online, you have a wider audience reach. I am a network marketer. It's one of my sources of income, but I do not just go on the streets recruiting people, neither do I go around bugging family and friends to join my business. Instead, I hop online and people who are interested in what I have to offer come to me, and I have pretty much been successful doing this online. I also love the fact that I do not get to sell anything to anyone, and I also have access to lots of healthy products, and I get to enjoy the free vacations. So that's pretty much it. So let me know in the comment section which is your best pick among the 7 online business ideas, because making money online is really awesome. Like I said before, all you need is your laptop, a desktop, your phone, and good internet. You need to find the one that best suits you. Do not forget to check out my video on how to make money from a business idea. So if it's something you've been considering, I encourage you to get on it and begin to create a beautiful means of earning passive or active income. So that's it for this video. Until next week, when I come to you with another exciting episode, keep your body and your spirit strong and keep your mind focused. Feel free to share this with your family or your friends or anyone that you think might need to hear this. I remain Amaka of Orum.